What is up, my good smelling friends? Welcome back to your average gents. My name is Evan. In today's video, I want to talk about fragrance again. I just love fragrances, and I think that it is one of the best accessory that any man can put on. Research has shown over and over again that our smell is one of the most powerful senses that we have. And when you wear a fragrance, not only will you smell amazing to the people around you, but most importantly, you get to smell amazing for yourself. Now, many of you who are watching this video, you might already have 1 or 2 bottles of fragrances. So in today's video, I want to share with you how to properly store and take care of your fragrance. And in case you're wondering, yes, they do need to be taken care of. First of all, many people have this misconception that fragrances will never expire. I wish they don't, but unfortunately, they do. Generally, after you have opened your fragrance bottle, it will last you for about 2 to 3 years before the scent will start to change a little bit. That is because fragrance molecules will start to break down and oxidize when it is exposed to air. It may not be noticeable at first, but fragrances do not last forever. However, with proper storage and care, you could prolong the shelf life of your fragrance. So where should you store your fragrance when you are not using it? The best place to store your fragrance is in a dark, cool and dry place. I know some fragrance bottles look really nice and you really want to display them, but try to avoid putting them near places that is exposed to direct sunlight. That is because the heat from the sunlight can actually warm up the fragrance molecules and cause chemical reactions that will change the scent of the fragrance. Now you might be thinking, dark, cool and dry place, how about in the fridge? Now it is not necessary, and too cold can spoil your fragrance as well. Now you might also be wondering, how about the bathroom? Wrong again. Now bathroom is the place that you need to avoid. And that is because bathrooms are usually very humid, especially when you bathe, and moisture could easily get into your fragrance bottle and spoil your scent. Plus, when you're taking a hot shower, the heat can heat up the fragrance molecules as well and causing it to change over time. So in summary, avoid direct sunlight, avoid putting it in humid places such as the bathroom, do not put it in your fridge, and store it in the dark, cool and dry place. My suggestions, just store it in your cabinets, your closets or your drawer. Also, please remember, do not leave your fragrance bottle uncapped and leave the muzzle exposed to the air after using it. Always remember to put back the cap after using it. And that is how you properly store and take care of your favorite fragrance. That is it for this week's video. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and as always, I will see you guys next week.